G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I am unboxing the Dell C3422WE ultra-wide video conferencing monitor. So let's open this one up and check it out. So in the box here, we've got our quick start guide, DisplayPort cable, a USB-C cable, and a USB 3B to A cable, and also our safety and regulatory information card. Over here we've got a power cable, and then it looks like we've got a few things hidden in these side compartments that are numbered 1 and 2. So let's have a look at number 1 first. This looks like it's our monitor stand base. Yep, that is the base of our monitor stand, and it is really heavy. It's very sturdy. There's a lot of weight in that. Then in compartment number 2, it looks like we probably have the rest of our monitor stand. Yep, so that's the rest of it. Then it looks like it's time to remove this top section of the box. Doesn't appear to be anything else in there. Down here in the bottom of the box is our screen. So on the underside here we have power at this end, HDMI input, DisplayPort input, DisplayPort over USB-C with 90 watt power delivery input here, which is awesome. And this monitor has a USB 3.2 Gen 1 hub in it. So we've got a USB uplink here, as well as 2 USB 3.2 ports, and then a gigabit Ethernet port at the end here. We also have a couple of extra ports on the bottom of the screen. So that's all the inputs that are under the center. If we have a look on underneath the screen itself, over this side here, we have another USB 3.2 input. We also have a headphone jack here and a USB-C input. Over on this side of the screen, here we have our power button and our control knob. As per the directions here, it does recommend attaching the stand while the monitor is in the box. To attach our monitor stand, we basically want to grab this hole here with that bolt and line it up with this piece here, like so. And we need to be able to access this screw here to screw it in. To make sure you do it up nice and tight. You don't need to use a screwdriver. So that is the monitor stand, and it's ready to be attached to our monitor so that we can pull the monitor out. So to attach our monitor stand, we want to open up this foam so that we have free access to the quick mount system on the back of this monitor. And we want to take the teeth from the top of this monitor stand and line them up with the holes in the back of the monitor there, and put it in at an angle and just sit it down, and you'll hear it clip in. Do that from another angle as well. So to release the stand, press that button below the mount and just lift it up, it'll come out. So again, we just want to line those teeth up with the grooves for them in the back of the monitor, like so, and just let it sit down until it clips in. That's it. Now we can pull out that monitor. So we can just tip that up and that'll come out. And there we go. So that is the Dell C3422WE Videoconferencing Monitor. So we've got this integrated soundbar and controls on the bottom here. This monitor is meant to be fully compatible with Teams. Got our Teams button, call answer, volume down, volume up, and microphone mute, which is cool. Then up the top here we have our pop-up webcam. So if we pull the tape off of that, so this little section on the top here, where this little bit of red tape is right in the middle, we just press that and the camera pops up. And we don't want to use it, we can just push it back down. So that is the webcam, pops out, and you can see the lens here, but also just off to either side are the 2 infrared lights, because this is actually an infrared camera that's here. So I think you can just make out those spots for that on there, as well as our stereo microphones at both sides of that. And I really like, I don't know if you can tell, but the top of it exactly matches the top of the monitor. So it actually is almost invisible on the top of the screen when it's down. On the back of the screen here we have our power button and our control. So this is both a button and a direction control for the monitor. The monitor stand does give you a bit of flex. It's not a full rotation, but it does let you tilt a decent amount there, as well as forward and backwards. And that is it. That is everything that comes with the Dell C3422WE Videoconferencing Monitor. Obviously, the monitor itself, the monitor stand, USB B to A cable, DisplayPort cable, USB-C cable, power cable, quick start guide, and regulatory info and safety info. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, make sure you check out those affiliate links down in the description, and they really help me out. That's it for me for now. If you like this video, make sure you also give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.